Hi, I'm Zed and I'm an MD on the strategy team here at Doximity. Today I'm going to walk you through how to access UpToDate during a dialer video encounter on desktop. So as you can see, I'm in a patient encounter with my patient Cole, and I'm here on desktop version of dialer. If I navigate to the bottom toolbar here and select the tools button on the right, that will pull up UpToDate for me in the sidebar. So I'm able to visualize UpToDate here within my window, so I don't have to pull up an extra window or pull up UpToDate on a separate monitor. But Cole, my patient, is still just visualizing me during this encounter. So for example, if I want to do a quick calculation of his Chad's VASC score or something like that, I can easily pull up the calculator here during the encounter and work through that. Or if I want to pull up a medication and check out dosing or do some med reconciliation, I can pull up a drug, pull up graphics, whatever the need may be, while I'm speaking with Cole during the encounter. When I'm done accessing UpToDate and don't need any more information, I can easily navigate back or simply close the sidebar window. So if I close the window, I return to the full view of the encounter. So again, that's how to access UpToDate during a desktop dialer video encounter with Doximity. Thanks.